कॉमस्कोर नुसार आता isakal.com आहे देशातील नंबर 1 ची मराठी न्यूज वेबसाईट. प्रत्येक अपडेटसाठी isakal.com ला नक्की भेट द्या.
Pramod Sawant completed 6 years as a CM. How do you rate his performance?
I complete
Rate bin performance किती दिला? Out of 10?
10 out of 10.
Some newspaper has given you 6, I think so, and him 9. So
See,
how you
I am not a fellow who's bidding for press frontage. I have never this thing with press. I've got a cordial relation with every press. But it is nothing that I basically do anything for pressmen to see that Maji Jai Kar goes. If you go to see, if you had asked me this question, I would actually rate this fellow Subhash Faldesai now in number 1 position. For a simple reason, because he has really done a lot as far as the social this thing, for the downtrodden and for all the underprivileged people and all this. I think this. But it is sorry to say he also comes in my I think my category. But actually, I believe he should be credited because he's really done a lot. Even Honorable Prime Minister itself has appreciated his work also. To tell
So CM
so I am not.
तुम्ही रेट करीना out of 10 कितले तुमचे रेटिंग काय ना?
No, rating. See, CM is doing a very good job. So I would rate him number 1 when he is number 1, so he should be number 1.